Okay, fixing to hit the creek again. We had a little bit of a rise in it, got up to a little over 14 feet, I think 14 and a half feet. This is 7 days later from my last trip. There goes my ride. This old flat rock here, we get out, it's slick. I'm telling you, it's slick. Before you even know it, your feet are out from underneath you. It's been pretty slow this morning on the creek. I've only had a couple hits, missed one. Other than that, slow, hot, bright sun. But I'm floating. Yeah, that's a good feeling. Well, we got 16 inches with the old Quicksilver Zipco. 16 inches, Quicksilver Zipco.